My point is, if you are somebody who's really serious about working from home, really serious about trying to make some more money or extra money, whatever, and you're not afraid. So I recently put out a video talking about how an appointment setter is one of the best work from home job opportunities out there, how you could potentially make $5,000 a month just by being an appointment setter, right? Now, in that video, I was talking about how, where you can find appointment setting jobs. And I was saying your common places like Indeed and LinkedIn. Now, when I was trying to find an appointment setting job, all right, there's one thing that I noticed, all right, a lot of cold calling jobs, right? Jobs that required you to cold call people or be on the phone, make a lot of damn calls, right? And I was looking at like, damn, okay. Now, I really don't even mind doing that, but I got my little baby boy back there. He sleep, you know what I'm saying? My dog. He my dog, for real. But anyway, like, I really can't do too much phone work because, he might see the damn mail lady, or if somebody pull up in the drive. It's tough to have a job where you're on the phone a lot, right? Because you take that chance of, somebody coming to the door, whatever, right? My point is, if you are somebody who's really serious about working from home, really serious about trying to make some more money or extra money, whatever, and you're not afraid to cold call, because I know cold calling has a horrible stigma in the entrepreneur world or in the work world. Like, cold calling is like, oh shit, that ain't for me. Ooh, it's scary, right? But if you're the type of person that like don't care, you don't mind cold calling, like, you can make money, period, end of story, non-debatable, don't want to hear it. You can make money. You can get a work from home job. There are plenty of jobs that pay pretty decent on top of that shit, right? They pay pretty decent money, and all it requires is you calling businesses or other people, whatever, and you're basically pitching them on something. A lot of these jobs make good hourly money as well as commissions. Some are both, but ultimately, like, you can make some nice money if you're not afraid to cold call. And the thing is, and because I did it a few years ago, right? I worked for this company and I went through just calls after calls. So yes, you do have to have a little bit of thick skin, because depending on the job, I mean, you're going to run across some assholes if you just straight cold calling people and you're offering a service that they have no interest in. But that's just the world we live in. You already know that. Like, you're going to get people that's like, first of all, let me tell you something. All right, be honest with you. If you don't care about cold calling and you want to try cold calling for a company or whatever, you could expect more hang-ups than you will smart-ass comments, right? So for every person that you get, that'll be like, take my name off this list. Who the hell is this? Why are you calling? Don't call me again. You're going to get that. You're going to get that. But with that being said, for every one of those, you're going to get 20 people that literally don't say nothing to you. They're just going to, you're going to hear that click and the next call going to come through, right? So, like, I'm making this point because so many people talk about like, oh, I want to work from home so bad. I need to make money like fucking tomorrow. Like, I'll do anything. I have to support my family. I got a baby on all this shit. And then you put 5 jobs hiring immediately that requires you to cold call people on an auto dialer, right? The calls just pop up, the script pop up, you read that shit. Do it, right? Do it 4 hours a day, 8 hours a day, whatever the job is, and you'll be making $20 an hour, $40 an hour, whatever it is. That's it, right? It's just a matter of, can you suck it up and do it? Can you deal with it? And the way that you got to deal with it is, like, and I know it's hard, it's easier said than done, but like, when you do these types of jobs, the cold calling, you have to somehow disconnect your personal feelings, to these people you're talking to. These people, 99.99999% have no idea who you are. and they don't care, right? They don't know your background. 9 times they don't know your race, your sexuality. They don't care. They don't know you, right? So when you get hung up on, you got to have it in your thing. Like, who cares? I don't know them. They don't know me. Keep it moving. You know what I mean? However you need to look at it, right? To justify you doing it, do it. Find that rationalization and do it. Because I'm telling you right now, you want a work from home job. You want to make some decent money. Get over the fear of cold calling. Once you do, there's tons of opportunities out there.